Hello guys, welcome to Prism CAD Academy. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to see solid modeling of chuck jaw. So let's go. You can find this drawing PDF download link in description. Kindly check. So firstly we are going to locate views in drawing. So this is front view, right view and lastly top view. After that, select new command, select part file, chuck jaw, click OK, then select template. Now here dimension are in inch, so we have to select IN, LBS, part solid ABS. So always try to draw outer geometry first. So horizontal line, baseline has dimension of 4.25. Then vertical line has dimension of 2.75. Then again horizontal line 1.75. Again the vertical line is 1 plus 0.31. Now again this vertical line. Complete this loop, click OK and make bisymmetric extrude having width of 1.75. Click OK. Now the overall geometry is obtained. Now we have to make cuts in it. So firstly we are going to cut the R31 cut. For that I am locating the center for R3. Now draw R3 circle. And remove the material 0.31. Okay, now we are moving to second cut. Here is 4.69. So draw a circle with same center, which is radius 4.69. Remove the material 0.31. Now again we want 0.5 radius circle cut. For that we have to use same center and draw 4.5 circle. But here is the material is less to remove material from here. So first we have to add material here by giving some extra dimensions. So here is 1.75. We'll make it 2. Okay. As the material is added, now we are going to remove the material from here. Okay. Now select up to selected option and remove the material. Now we got the overall cuts here. In front view there is a cut. For that draw a rectangle having height of 1.12. Give the cut dimension 1.5 here, and the material we have to keep here is 0.749. Okay, so delete segment from here. And remove material from this side. Now one more slot is here from right side view. So select right side surface. So remove this material from here. Now our model is almost complete. Just we need to add some holes here. So here are 2 holes having dimension of 0.5 drill, 0.75 counter bore, 0.81 deep. So just go to hole command, locate the hole position by giving XY dimensions. So this is from this surface. So this would be 2.5 plus 0.75, and this will be 0. Okay, so now we locate the hole position. Now we are going to create actual profile of hole. Click standard here. The other option we unlock. So drill will be 0.5, which is up to 'through surface. Okay, then select counter bore option. Now go to shape. You can check your dimension here. So counter bore would be 0.75 and the counter bore height will be 0.81. Okay, in this way you can get this profile. Click OK. Now the same hole is present on other side, so you just need to copy the hole and paste it here. Just select the surface where you want to place the hole. Now you have to give the dimension. From this surface, this is 0.75 and from this is 0. Now the chamfer is pending. For that, go to chamfer, select that edge. Here is angle is 30 and the dimension is 0.62. So in this way you can get the chamfer. So guys, the model is done. In this way you can create this model. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.